Beauty, the channel where you can find lots of information about different cosmetic products and skincare products. In this video today, I would love to talk to you about this e.l.f. oil blotting sheet. Let's do it again. Sheets. Today I would love to talk to you about oil blotting sheets by e.l.f. company. So this particular pack is very convenient as you can carry it with you, take whatever you want, and it doesn't really take a lot of space in your bag. So this pack contains 50 sheets, so it's really a lot, and even according to my experience, I can say that it will last you forever. So a little bit about this particular product. So this is the shine eraser pretty much. So if you're wearing makeup, you could just blot it a little bit on the areas where you need to reapply the makeup, and you could also use it just without makeup on the face when sometimes it appears shiny. It absorbs oil and shine, that's the name of the product. It mattifies shiny skin and also minimizes the pores, which is actually very good for acne-prone skin or really oily skin, and specifically for that T-zone area. Also, it has woven texture. It eliminates the shine and keeps skin made for hours, so which again will help you to use this product for a long time. And in the end, it contains the green tea extract. It also helps to retexturate the skin and mask the imperfections. And what you should really be happy about is the ingredient list. It doesn't contain any nasties. It only has the wax, the triglyceride, and green tea leaf extract. It is also designed in the USA but made in China, and it's charity supported company and no animal testing. And right now e.l.f. also is the vegan company. And a little bit about the directions. If you are going to use it, you need to just pull one piece of the shiny razor and from this envelope, and you blot the sheet in the T-zone on the areas needed, and you then flip it and blot all the other facial areas. You could also use it whenever your skin needs to be mattified, and of course use more than one if needed. I think there's nothing else I could also add about this product except for that it is very convenient, and you could check further instructions on the e.l.f. website. And I should also mention in the end that I personally shop at Thrive Market. It is a wonderful website where you can find great products at a very good pricing for your health and skincare. I would put the details in the description bar down below this video. You could also check out the link and definitely explore this wonderful website to save really good money throughout the year. And again, guys, if you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to iReview Beauty. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you get the notifications when the new video is coming up. And I will see you in my next video.